The Election Commission of Pakistan is scheduled to start accepting nomination papers for the general elections 2018 until June 8 after the Supreme Court of Pakistan overruled on Sunday the Lahore High Court's verdict. The Supreme Court suspended the nullification of nomination forms of the electoral candidates for the upcoming general elections by LHC. The Apex Court bench, headed by Chief Justice of Pakistan Justice Mia Saqib Nisar, announced the verdict after former Speaker of National Assembly and Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leader Sardar Ayaz Sadiq and Election Commission of Pakistan filed petitions earlier challenging the LHC's ruling on the nomination forms. Chief Justice of Pakistan remarked that elections would be conducted as per schedule on July 25th. According to Election Commission of Pakistan, the initial list of candidates will be displayed on June 8th, while dates for other developments regarding elections would remain unchanged. Aisha Ahmed files today another complaint against Hamza Shabazz and Shabazz's son-in-law Ali Imran. In the complaint filed on Sunday night, Aisha Ahmed has accused Hamza of violence, threats to life, and usurpation of possessions including jewelry, mobile phone, and purse. The woman alleged that people sent by Hamza Shabazz forcefully took her laptop, nikah-nama, and other documents. The complaint is being reviewed by the police. While hearing a plea pertaining to the threats to Aisha Ahmed, Chief Justice of Pakistan Mia Saqib Nisar on Saturday had ordered the Punjab Inspector General of Police Arif Nawaz Khan to register a case by midnight against those allegedly involved in abusing her. However, Hamza has rebutted the claims, saying Aisha Ahmed's accusations were baseless and that she had made the same accusations in 2014 in the court of law but was unable to present any evidence. Reham Khan denied an earlier allegation by Fawad Chaudhry of having met Maryam Nawaz for receiving money. The former journalist and author had remained at the center of controversy after the manuscript of Rehman's book was leaked online, which irked several Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf leaders who took to Twitter to accuse her of being part of an agenda ahead of the upcoming general elections. In an interview with a television channel, Reham refuted allegations and said that the accusation of receiving money from Shabazz is incorrect. I cannot understand why Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf is apprehensive about my book. I never met him or Maryam. Reham also requested the Chief Justice of Pakistan Mia Saqib Nisar to take notice of the issue. InterServices Public Relations said in a statement that 6 terrorists were killed and several injured after Pakistani forces responded to a cross-border attack from Afghanistan late Sunday. ISPR said that terrorists from across the border carried fire raids and physical attacks on Pakistan's border posts and border fencing parties in Bajor in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Kamardin Kares in Balochistan. 4 FC soldiers and 1 PAF soldier were also injured in the terrorist attacks. While advantage of ungoverned spaces and facilitation inside Afghanistan, terrorists are resorting to such attacks to prevent fencing and construction of border posts. Fencing of Pak-Afghan border and construction of border forts will continue irrespective of the challenges posed by hostile forces and in order to consolidate the gains of successful kinetic operations against terrorism. US officials said that North Korea's top 3 military officials have been removed from their posts. US President Donald Trump and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un prepare to meet on June 12th in Singapore. The US official who spoke on condition of anonymity was commenting on a report by South Korea's news agency that all 3 of the North's top military officials were believed to have been replaced. The White House, State Department, CIA, and Office of the Director of National Intelligence did not immediately respond to requests for official comment. Trump wants North Korea to denuclearize, meaning to get rid of its nuclear arsenal, in return for relief for economic sanctions. Trump's lawyer says he believes President has power to pardon himself. US President Donald Trump's attorney Rudy Giuliani said that US President has probably the power to pardon himself but does not plan to do so. Giuliani said that Trump has no intention of pardoning himself, but that the US Constitution gives a president the authority to issue pardons. US President Donald Trump is under pressure from Special Counsel Robert Mueller's investigation into Russia's role in the 2016 US elections. Mueller is investigating whether Russia meddled in the presidential election and whether Trump's campaign colluded with Moscow. Mueller, whose investigation already has led to criminal charges against Trump campaign aides, including former campaign chairman Paul Manafort, is also looking into whether Trump unlawfully sought to obstruct the Russia investigation. But both Russia and Trump deny collusion, and the president has denied obstructing the probe. An off-duty FBI agent accidentally shot a bystander in the leg when his gun fell from its holster. Denver Police Department said the agent was dancing at a nightclub when his firearm became dislodged from its waistband holster and fell onto the floor. When the agent retrieved his handgun, an unintended discharge occurred. The statement added that the victim was transported to the hospital with a good prognosis. Police spokeswoman Marika Patnam said the agent was taken to a police station and later released to an FBI supervisor. The Denver District Attorney's Office said the incident is under investigation. Kuwait's ban on fruits and vegetables imported from India would be beneficial for Pakistan. Wahid Ahmed, the Vice President at the Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industry, explained that exports of fruits and vegetables from Pakistan to Kuwait would consequently double in volume now that the latter had banned the imports of the same from India owing to the outbreak of the Nipah virus. A committee at the Public Authority for Food and Nutrition, the Kuwaiti Food Safety and Regulatory Authority, cited Nipah virus outbreak in India's Kerala as the reason behind the latest decision taken by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The World Health Organization says there is no vaccine for the virus, which is spread through body fluids and can cause encephalitis or inflammation of the brain. Pakistan captain Sarfraz Ahmed insisted he was proud of perfect 9-wicket victory in the first test at Lord's. Sarfraz was pleased with Pakistan's progress and said that when we came here, people thought we will not win even one game, but our play at Lord's was perfect. Our fast bowling was perfect, our batting and fielding were perfect. It is disappointing that we had a chance to win the series, but unfortunately we didn't play well here. I am proud of my young team, the way Abbas is bowling, Shadab is doing well, Fahim Ashraf did well, so I am really disappointed that we did not win at Headingley, but 1-1 is good for us. Rahat Fateh Khan has said he does not require permission from anyone to sing the qawwalis of his late uncle Ustad Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Rahat Fateh Ali Khan asked why he would need permission, saying, I am the successor and the adopted son of my Ustad and uncle Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. We are family, everything belongs to us as a family and we have never been divided. Rahat said, I have kept this family tradition of ours alive since I was made the successor by Ustad Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan over 20 years ago. I have taken the torch of my family's tradition. I have taken my family's name and performed at the Nobel Peace Prize. In fact, I was the headline performer there. I have performed at the United Nations General Assembly, which is proud for our family and all Pakistanis. And finally, the weather. Very hot and dry weather is expected in most parts of the country. Intense heat wave conditions are likely to persist over upper and interior Sindh, Punjab and eastern Balochistan. And that's the news for today. For more news and analysis, keep watching HumSub.TV.
Please subscribe to HumSub.TV and hit the notification icon on the screen to get the latest updates of our channel. Thank you for watching HumSub.TV.